Hello everyone, Nadeem here again with TX Engine Works. I'm just gonna follow Philip over here, and he's the master tech, the engineer. He's the main guy. See what he's doing with this F350. Yeah, it's another 350.
It's the same one. It ain't left yet.
Yeah. So what are we doing here?
Yeah, bushings.
So while I'm recording this, we're going to replace the cam bushings. Just to show you a little the lift we have here. And there's another one. There's a Ram 1500. So did I pronounce that wrong? What was that?
Cab bushing.
Oh, the cab. So how would you know that they're bad?
Because when you go over like up a driveway,
you hear like a thump? I mean, this is a newer truck than mine. Maybe it's like the water crossings or something?
No, it's for, they just got bad design. See, there's no bushing here, but you can see it's good here.
Yeah.
You do one, you do them all.
So folks, that's it. You know, a lot of these maintenance type tasks, if you do one, you know, do them all. It's like shocks. Do one, do them all. Other than that, I see some oil by the, I guess that's just the engine oil. A little bit, something on the transmission there, but.
Okay, let's come down just a little bit.
All right, we're coming down. Kind of stuck in there. And if you're wondering what the cab bushing is like, that's it right there.
There's a new one.
That's some right there. And the new one. And the old ones are just rusted out. I mean, look at that. So the old one is just
well, it's not rusted, the rubber deteriorated.
Yeah, I think it's just a cheap part maybe.
Well, no, they're too expensive. It's like $1,500 to do 8 of those.
So this is the solid front axle on the 350.
Okay, let's readjust this. Go up on the truck. Because we're maxed out on the jack here.
Listen into. So since it's the cab bushing, the cab has to lift a little bit for it to come out all the way. So I think that's what they're trying to figure out. Is lift the cab just enough to get the bushing out. But that's it. So solid front axle. Now these are the ones that are prone to get what they call death wobble. This one doesn't have it, but you know, some of them do. So those are the ones. The IFS doesn't have the stability issue or the death wobble issue. It's inherent in the design of the system, but it's leaning on one side.
No, it's just the cab leaning. All right. It's only the cab because it's the frame straight.
And we got that one out. That's the one we were trying to get out. See that? Oh, yeah, that rubber didn't last very long. What model? What year is it?
04, I think, or 13 years.
Oh, so it's older than mine.
15.
So you think mine are going to be due pretty soon here, too?
GM. Oh, I've never put them on GM.
Huh. Well, at least something keeps working on mine. And there you go. So that one was okay. That was tight in its place, but you're going to do one.
That one's in the center.
Yeah, you're going to do one, do them all. So you don't skimp up on this.
All right, guys, put new.